Hey everybody, Beth Helvey with Michael Saunders and Company. It is Friday morning. I thought I should tell you that because we're losing track of days, aren't we? So it is Friday morning, and I want to talk to you about your mortgage loan. Here's what I'm hearing. I did a little bit of research on this, and I'm not really finding anything official yet, but I am hearing that some people are having problems with their government-backed loans getting approved, even though they're already in the system. Hi, David. So some people who are doing government-backed loans, now don't forget, hi Joanna, government-backed loans are USDA and FHA. One of the reasons people go with FHA is because you can get into an FHA loan with a lower credit score. So for a conventional loan, your credit score has to be higher. FHA has programs in place for people who don't quite have that credit score, but otherwise qualify for a house or qualify for a mortgage, I should say. And they've got other things in place. Oftentimes what happens, hi Michael, oftentimes what happens is that if you are doing the FHA loan, you might be paying a higher interest rate in order to compensate for that. And then there's other things that go on that is actually a better conversation with a lender than with me. Hi Brian, hi Joseph. Hey Joseph, how you doing? But here's what's going on. I'm hearing reports from some of my colleagues across the country that some of their clients who are doing FHA loans are possibly getting them denied at the last minute because their credit score is low. Now, I haven't found anything official. If any of, hi Carrie, if any of my lender friends are watching, if you could pipe in, that would be fantastic. Or maybe post at the end of this video if you have any links to anything. I would love to see that. So, here's my warning to you, and this is just stuff that's in the wind. And to be perfectly honest, a lot of the information you're going to be getting from me and from your beloved realtor, wherever you are, if you're not here in Sarasota with me, is going to be stuff that we're getting from our colleagues across other states and across the country. Hi! and so here's what's going on. What you need to do is if you are a buyer and you're currently under contract and you're in the middle of your transaction to buy a house, because let's not forget people, yes, we're in the middle of a virus. And yes, there are a lot of people that are on lockdown. If you are living in a state where real estate has been halted, they are not necessarily halting transactions that are in process. Hi, Myra. They are only halting new transactions, or they're putting limits on them. So don't forget that if you are, hey, oh, I can wave at you guys. Don't forget that that is what's going on. So if you're in the middle of a transaction and you have a government-backed loan, especially USDA, VA, and if you are doing FHA, what you need to do is you need to contact your realtor and have your realtor call your lender, or both of you get on a Zoom call with your lender and say, how are we doing here? Are we getting approved? Have you checked into my loan? We're okay, right? I may have a low credit score. I might have a little bit less money cash to close than the next person. Double check my loan so that if you are in danger of the possibility of it getting denied, you can start putting things into process now to make sure that you can protect yourself. Sellers, same thing. Now, this is state to state again. Now, in Florida, in the state of Florida, one of the things we do is on our contract to purchase, no matter which contract you're using, because don't forget, we have two, no matter which contract you're using, you have to state on the contract what kind of loan you're getting, or if you're doing cash. Hey, Evelyn. So what you're doing is you're going to state on your contract that you're going conventional high suite. Oh, the mug mystery has been solved. Hi, Jen. One of my besties that I love so much actually sent it to me. And yes, I'm using it this morning. Sorry about that. I had to interrupt real quick. So if you are a seller and your buyer is getting a loan, you need to contact your realtor and have your realtor contact that that buyer's lender, which we are allowed to do, or contact that realtor, and you all need to make sure that your buyer's loan is going to go through. Listen, people, this is not the buyer's fault. This is just what's going on right now. This is just one of those things where we're in a new situation, but you need to protect yourself, because if your buyer is going to somehow default, they lost their job, their credit score is low, and they're doing a FHA loan and FHA is raising it and things like that. You need to know now. Okay, so get on the horn with your beloved realtor and get this stuff straightened out. That's what I've been doing for the last couple of days with all of my transactions is I'm talking to everybody for my sellers and for my buyers and getting all this information put together. Okay, so protect yourself. There are things that you can do. You can extend your contract. You can cancel the contract. There's a lot of things you can do, and this is a conversation that you need to have with your realtor, especially if you're not in the state of Florida, so that you know what is allowable and what is covered in your state. Okay? So I hope everybody's doing great. Today is Friday, in case we are confused, because I think a lot of people are. And it's a beautiful day today. We're in the mid to upper 80s. So if you do have a chance to get outside and get some exercise and some vitamin D, please do so. Wear your sunscreen, drink lots of water. I'm going to be putting up some stuff later today so that we can do some coffee dates. Hey, Deborah. Hey, Tom. Hi, Darlene. Hi, Lori. And get together. And again, if you have any questions, call me, text me, DM me, throw it in the comments. I'm happy to hop on with a FaceTime or a Zoom call and go over anything with you that you want me to go over with you. And if I don't know the answer, I'll find somebody who does. All right. I hope everybody has a great day. Enjoy yourself, and I will talk to you later. Hey, Shondell. Bye.